Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Now the only thing you're going to need for this is a blank piece of paper. I'm using a piece of printer paper. You can use whatever kind of paper you want. And flat surface to start folding. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your paper and fold it from right to left. Make sure it's lined up with the other side and then crease it. Next, open the paper back up. Take the right corner and fold it into your middle crease. Now, take your left corner and fold that into the middle crease. After that, fold the paper from right to left again. Now you have this. After that, you're going to want to take one of these sides and fold it down to create a wing. You're going to want to fold it. You're going to want to make the wing bigger than the body so that it flies better. And then flip it over, and fold it down, repeat. And then at the end, if you want to make it fly a little bit better, this is optional. Just take like an inch of the wing, the bottom of the wing, and fold it up. It'll make it fly farther. Do the same for the other side. And there you go. That's how you make a paper airplane.